Hey everybody, what's up? How are you doing today? Well, I like how every time I start posting like maybe more than one video, I'm like, I'm back. I'm never back. I'm probably never coming back to 5 videos a week like I was doing, however many fucking, I was doing a lot. And that was a really cool like groove that I got in, but like life and shit, like, So, I switched jobs, so I work a lot more now. And this is my only day off, and I'm still in the fucking bed. Hold on, let me get you guys. I am still in the fucking bed. I'm tired. Your girl is tired. I dyed my hair red. You guys haven't even seen that here upon YouTube. Oh, I really just wanted you guys to see. I really should have turned this around so you can just not see my pillow. I don't even have like I'm this tired. So like, I usually have like a Beetlejuice looking like duvet cover on my plain white comforter, but I was too tired. She was too tired. She couldn't do it. Also, probably should have gotten comfortable, but I was watching YouTube videos and was like, I really need to post my YouTube, and I was like, but I don't have anything to talk about. I was like, fuck it, just do it right now. Do it right now while you have time. And that's what I'm fucking doing, you guys. I'm gonna tell you about my goddamn day. What's going on in my life? A lot, honestly. That will have to be like 10 separate fucking videos. Like, there's always something, like there's always something. But today I'm not doing anything, and I'm really enjoying myself. I say not doing anything. I'm not doing anything for another like hour and a half, and then I have to like get up. I have to go to the reptile store and get bugs for all my babies. I don't know if I've ever really done like a reptile video on here. I'm gonna go with probably not. I don't think that I have, because I'm not a pet tuber, and I don't want to be, because that community is vicious and fucking evil, and I don't want to be a part of it. I have a lot of animals because I love them, and I love animals, and rescuing animals is like a big thing in my life. And
Mom, I'm here to check on you. Are you okay? Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Thanks, babe. Piper just came in to check on me. She's like, I just wanted to check on you. Are you okay? Which really means I don't really like doing online school, so I just want any excuse to not be in front of that computer. But who does? Honestly, I can't even get mad at her. She does good stuff. Anyway, I don't remember what I was talking about. Animals. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys know like what animals I even have at this point, so I'm going to talk about that. You guys know the dogs and cats. I still have the same dogs and cats that I have had for years. I still have my Shiba, my pit bull, my corgi, and then I have a Siamese cat and a little tabby cat that actually we as a fandom, I'm famous. We as a community rescued a few years ago. We still have her. She's okay. Like, she's doing pretty good for all of her issues. Most of my animals do have some type of issue. My corgi is the only one that was like a purebred dog, but I still didn't like buy her. Somebody gave her to me. Hold on. But not that I think there's anything wrong with buying dogs. If you have like something that you want, like, I'm cool with that. Like, buy dogs if you want to. I personally can't, because I feel so bad. Same thing with cats. Like, I want a Sphinx cat more than anything in the world. But every time that I've like found like a cattery that I'm like, oh, I'm gonna buy this, I just think of how many cats I could like rescue with that money, and how many cats I could save from like being euthanized in a shelter with that money. And then I personally just can't do it. But I don't like hate on you if you only buy breeder dogs. Like, I don't care. Like, that's your choice. But like, yeah, and plus purebred anything has a lot of issues. Like, whatever. Anyway, I fucking digress. But so those are my fluffies that I have. I know you guys all know Kevin and Zoe and Poe and Bimo and Gunta, the fluffies. I also have a hedgehog named Peaches, who was an owner surrender given to me. I have a bearded dragon that was a gift, and I love her more than anything. She's just the best. Her name is Banana. I have a blue tongue skink, which was like one of my dream reptiles. Like, he's the coolest. His name is Pudge. He was also a gift. He was a birthday present. He's awesome. I have 4 leopard geckos that I bought one from PetSmart because it looked shitty. Like, he didn't look like he was doing okay. And he was like $20. So I'm like, okay. Like, you gotta come home with me because you are not gonna be okay here. And the next day, somebody told me that another PetSmart or Petco, one of them, had a bunch of geckos and a bunch of like cool like morphs of leopard geckos. So I was like, oh, that's cool. Like, I want to go check it out. I like my leopard gecko. Let's go see. And they all looked like shit. So I bought them all. That's how I have so many leopard geckos, because they just looked like garbage, and that I felt so bad, and I couldn't just like leave them there because I'm a sucker. And I also have a Honduran milk snake. I post about him a lot because he's got the coolest little personality, and I normally post the most about Banana because she's like my little buddy and she hangs out with me the most, but she's roommating right now, so I can't really fuck with her until she's like done with that, because it'll cause her to like expel calories that she doesn't need to lose because they don't really eat or anything. They just sleep a lot. It's like hibernation for lizards. I mean, like, fucking Google it yourself. Like, I'm not a dictionary and I'm not a animal education channel, but I hang out with him a lot, and I've actually known, his name is Walter. I've actually known him his whole like life, really, and he was being rehomed. So I was like, obviously, I will take him. Like, obviously, like, it's not even a question. I will take him, and I love him. And he's just, bro, so much joy to my life. And it's so weird because he's a snake. Like, it's just a snake. But I fucking love the shit out of that snake. He's so cool. He's just a little baby, and I love him to death. I have makeup. I took my makeup off last night. Why do I look like this? God. Anyway, you guys. I don't even remember why I started talking about this. I'm super tired. Oh yeah, because I have to go to the reptile store today to get them all stuff. Look how big my arm looks. I look beefy. I like it. And actually, if you know me, I have little chicken appendages. Like, I have teeny little arms and teeny little legs. Like, I'm just like a tiny little person. But I'm really enjoying this like vlog style for my bed. I'm really comfortable. The natural light from my window is pretty good. I didn't have to set anything up. I literally just pressed record and was like, I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm doing tonight. Next weekend I'm going to visit my man and my son in Indiana, so I have to go buy winter clothes because I'm a Florida bitch, so I have nothing. Like, nothing. I think I have like one pair of pants, because I wear shorts all the time. Like, I don't wear pants, you know? Like, I have like pajamas, or like there are like sweatpants for pajamas, but I don't like, we don't, what the fuck do I need that for? I don't need that. We don't fucking, it's always hot. Like, so I have to go get clothes, and I'm honestly going to like Play-Doh's closet and Ross, because I mean, also I'm poor, but like not because I'm poor, you know what I mean? Like, that's not new information. Like, I'm a broke bitch. I always have been, but I'm going there because that's gonna be the only place that will have anything like wintertime in Florida. Like, I live in South Florida. We're right outside of Miami. Like, it's hot all the time, so nowhere has winter clothes except like Target, but I can't be trusted in Target. I can't go there. I've never once spent less than like $300 at Target. Never. I'm being dead ass. Like, but I do have a Target gift card right now. Being me is exhausting. This is probably why the internet thinks I'm on drugs. And every video, I swear to God, any video that I've ever gotten that had any kind of traction, everybody's like, she's on drugs. I'm like, I'm just so fucking weird. Like, I wish I was on drugs. I wouldn't be so goddamn bored all the time, but no. I'm just weird. But also, thank you for thinking that I can afford habitual drug use. I really appreciate that. That makes me feel warm inside that you think I'm not poor. Because if I wasn't poor, if I was rich, would I have these lines on my look at these forehead, look at them wrinkles. I'm not even 30. And that is a wrinkle. I'm just always annoyed, so I'm always like this because I'm always pissed off. So I have these fucking wrinkles in my forehead that won't go away. If anybody wants to hook your girl up with some Botox, I will take it. But that's kind of like, I don't know. I feel like this video is like manic, but I haven't talked to you guys in a long time. I feel like there's stuff that I want to tell you. I have a lot of cool stuff in the works right now. I don't know how it will be presented to you. I know I've been a lot more active on TikTok, and honestly, it's because the longest video you can make is 60 seconds, and I always have 60 seconds, you know, besides this week. I don't even think, I opened TikTok this morning for the first time in like 5 days, because I just have not had the time. Like, I get up and I go to work, and as soon as I get home, I've been getting off work, like, I've had to stay like an hour late every single night, so by the time I get home, I'm dead. And I'm not even like eating dinner now. I'm just like coming straight home and passing out. Like, cause I'm so exhausted. And I don't foresee that ending anytime soon. Like I said, this is my first day off in like 6 days. I'm really tired. And because it's my only day off and I'm a fucking grown up, I have to do all my shit today. So, I'm staying in this bed as long as I possibly can. My only saving grace is that the fucking reptile store doesn't open until noon. So, but I ordered my groceries because that's not, I swear to God, I have not really been anywhere. Like, I try not to go anywhere anyway. Like, I don't go to the grocery store. I think the grocery store is like a COVID fucking hotspot. Because everybody's like touching shit. And, whatever. But I order Instacart for my groceries. I wish I could order bugs on Instacart. It'd be so much easier, but they don't have the reptile store that I use is a reptile store that my hospital works with, so like we see all those animals, so I know those people, so that's who I want to give my business to, you know, because they bring a lot of business to like my hospital, so like we support our own. So I gotta do that, but it's like 20 minutes away from my house. But there's a Target over there, so I know I just said I'm not going to Target, but somebody gave me a Target gift card for Christmas. So I'm going to do that. $25 at Target will get me like one pair of sweatpants. But I mean, like, that's one pair of sweatpants that I didn't have previously, so that doesn't really offend me. I just need to buy like some fleece-lined leggings. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to find those anywhere. Look at all the shit on my nightstand. I'm a garbage person. There's literally like coffee glasses and hot sauce on my nightstand because I'm disgusting. And I'm fucking filming with my goddamn closet door open. There's a fucking stuffed animal in there. Alright, back to where we were. That doesn't bother me because that's my closet is little. So I have like this thing where I can like hang up my clothes. I'm aware that everything in there is black.
Mom, another check on. How are you doing?
I'm okay, baby.
I'm sweating right now.
Okay. Ooh. Is my Instacart arriving? It is. Hold on. Hi, guys. Joining us today is Gunter the cat. Anyway, I'm going to go cook some food. My roommate's dad is home from the hospital, so we got to medicate. She's not here, so we got to medicate and feed everybody, so. Sir. So, it's good to see you guys. I hope to be around. Most of the stuff's gonna be like vloggy right now until I can kind of decide, like, honestly, till I can get the fucking motivation. Let's just be for real. You can always follow me on TikTok or on my other social media accounts. I will link them down below, probably, maybe. So, motherfucker. Bye.